Next example, by using big M method. Okay, so first problem, big M method. Example, use big M method. Use big M method to solve LPP. LPP is given that maximum Z is equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3, subject to constraints are given that constraints are 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 is less equal to 2, and second constraint is given that 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 is greater or equal 8. Okay, and non-negative condition x1, x2 and x3 are greater or equal 0. Okay, so this is our LPP. So we have to find the solution by big M method. Okay, so before that, what is meant by big M method? Okay, big M method express their algorithm is firstly express the given LPP in standard form by adding slack and surplus variable. Okay, so firstly we write this LPP in standard form. How to write in this? Firstly express it is minimize, then express it is converted objective function. If objective function is given that minimize, then convert it to maximize by multiplying -1 and adding surplus and slack variable in constraints and taking their cost in objective function is 0. Okay, in this way. And next is adding artificial variable. Is definition of artificial variable is a non-negative variable which is added to LHS of greater than or equal to constraint. If any constraint in given LPP is greater than or equal to type, in this way, here this constraint is greater than or equal to type, so we have to adding subtracting surplus variable and adding artificial variable in that constraints. Okay, and then now we have to find the lastly big M method. Okay, so taking steps are given that how to find solution of LPP by using big M method. Firstly write standard form by adding slack and surplus variable. Okay, slack variable is added only when if constraints are less equal type, and surplus variable is subtracted when constraint is greater equal type. Okay, now then add a non-negative artificial variable we have to adding greater than or equal to constraint. Then next step is assign a 0 coefficient to both slack and surplus variable in objective function. In objective function, take a cost of surplus and slack variable is 0, and for artificial variable take a coefficient in objective function is -m. -m is a very biggest number. Okay, very large positive coefficient. This is a positive coefficient and it is very large. Okay, and taking this coefficient for artificial variable in objective function. Okay, and then by solve by using simplex method. And lastly, but first simplex table only write the slack and artificial variable, not write a surplus variable. So then by using simplex method solve the given LPP. And if we have to solving by simplex method, then there are given that 3 cases. Okay, this is case 1 is there is no artificial variable remains in BCs, means in YB column if there is no artificial variable, then continue the simplex method. Okay, then continue simplex method. And second case, if there is at least one artificial variable, A dot V means artificial variable. If any one of the artificial variable is remaining at 0 level, means cost of their cost in xb column is 0, then and also coefficient of m means all zj minus cj are greater or equal 0, that is positive, then in case of basic feasible solution is degenerate. Okay, and last case is a artificial variable is not in at 0 level, and this is not 0 level, and this zj minus cj are positive, that is artificial variable in xb, their cost their value is not 0, and all zj minus cj are greater or equal 0, then given LPP as infeasible solution. So this is our big M algorithm of big M method. So using this we have to find the solution of our given LPP. Okay, so here given that two constraints, so first constraint is less equal type, therefore we have to adding only one slack variable s1. Okay, and this constraint is a greater or equal type, and in greater or equal type constraint we have to adding we have to subtracting surplus variable we have to subtracting and adding artificial variable a1. Okay, so and putting their cost s1 and s2 as cost to taking in objective function is 0, and for a1 taking a cost is very large positive integer minus m. Okay, so therefore solution of this LPP is solution here we add one slack variable, s1. Okay, and subtracting one surplus variable s2. Okay, s2 is a surplus variable. Okay, and adding artificial variable in second constraint. Okay, adding one artificial variable, their notation is a1, suppose that. Okay, therefore LPP as given LPP is already maximized type, maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3. Okay, then putting a cost of slack and surplus variable is 0 s1 plus 0 s2, and for artificial variable take a their cost is minus m. Okay, minus m coefficient and a1. Okay, and subject to constraints are given that 2x1 plus x2 plus x3, and slack variable is 1 s1 is equal to 2. Okay, and for second constraint 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3. Okay, then subtracting surplus variable s2 and adding artificial variable a1. Okay, for greater or equal type constraint subtract surplus variable and add artificial variable, and we write a equation form is equal to 8. Okay, and all x1 x2 s1 s2 a1 are greater or equal 0. This is a given LPP, and now we have to find this LPP by using simplex method. Okay, here all three steps are taking: assign a 0 coefficient to both slack and surplus variable in objective function, here taking their cost is 0. Okay, and also assign a very large positive coefficient minus m is also written in here. So and we have to writing their constraints. Okay, and now to find step 4 is solve the modified LPP. This is modified LPP by simplex method at any iteration. Our usual method, simplex method, we have to solve this LPP. Okay, So we have to write finding Zj minus Cj. Okay, now we calculate Zj minus Cj. We draw simplex table. Okay, in simplex table, the surplus variable is never written in basis YB column. Okay, YB column, only slack and artificial layer write in basis YB and solve it by simplex method. Okay, so using this all, here simplex table is, first column is CB, then second column is YB, third column is XB. CB means coefficient of Z in basic variable. This is a basic variable. This is basic variable. This is a value of basic variable. Then coefficient of x1 in constant, coefficient of x2 in constant. Here number of variable is 3, x1, x2, x3. Then s1, then s2, then a1. Okay, and their coefficient in Z are, their coefficient for first their coefficient is 3, for second x2 has coefficient is 2 in objective function, x3 has 3 in objective function, their 0 0 and their value is minus m. Okay, so for first simplex table only we write slack and artificial variable. So artificial variable and slack variable only write in basic column s1 and a1. Okay, for first simplex table, then putting their cost in CB, cost in s1 has cost in 0 in objective function, a1 has cost is minus m. Okay, and their values RHS of constraints. RHS of constraints are 2 and 8 and write a coefficient of x1 x2 in constraints. Okay, so their value is 2 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, for second constant, coefficient of x1 x2 x3 are 3 4 2. s1 has coefficient is 0, s2 has coefficient is minus 1 and a1 has coefficient is 1. Okay, now we have to find the Zj minus Cj. Okay, so Zj minus Cj for this x1 column 0 into 2 is 0 and minus 3m and minus m. Okay, so how to find their CB, xi minus Cj or Zj. Okay, xi, this is xi. Okay, in this way, that is 0 into 2 plus minus m into 3. Okay, and minus 3. In this way we have to calculating this. Similarly for minus 4, this is 1, for their value is minus 4m minus 2, here 3 minus 3m minus 3. Second value is minus 4m minus 2. Third value is minus 2m minus 3 for this, and their value is 0. Their value is also m and their value is minus m. So we have to choosing most negative of this. Okay, most negative, choose the. Okay, this is Zj minus Cj for x1, this is Zj minus Cj for x2. Minus 4m minus 2 minus 2m minus 3, then 0 minus 0 0, minus m minus 0, minus plus m 0, and 1 minus m into 1 is minus m. Minus m plus m is 0. Okay, minus m plus m is 0. Minus m minus of minus m means this is plus m is 0. So we have to find the minimum of the maximum of this most negative. We have to find the most negative. What is what number is most negative for here? Minus 3m minus 2 is most negative, or minus 4m minus 2 is most negative, or minus 2m minus 3 is most negative. So we have, if we taking m is equal to 1, if we taking m is equal to 1, then their value is also minus 6, their value is also minus 6, and their value is minus 5. So both values are most negative, but here two values are same. So if we taking m is equal to 2, then minus 3 into 2 is 6, minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, here minus 8 minus 2 minus 10, and this is if you taking minus 4 minus 7. Okay, so here this column minus 4m by 2, this is a most negative column. Okay, therefore this is our most negative, minus 4m minus 2 is most negative, and therefore our key column is x2 column. Okay, this is our key column. And now we have to find the ratio. How to find? xb divided by key column, and key column is x2. Okay, xb is 2 divided by 1 is 2 divided by 1 is 2, and then 8 divided by 4, we get is so 2. Okay, so here both values are same, so choose any one of them. Okay, if we choosing this is first, because here do not need to convert the unity. Okay, so leading element is 1. If we taking, then 1 is already given that unity, so now we have to one operation is means for calculation, this is a better for choosing. Okay, and therefore this is our key row. And so intersection of key column and intersection of key row, so this is our leading element. Okay, so leading element is here 1 is here 1 is leading element, so this is already leading unity. Okay, 1 is leading element only. Now we making all other elements in its column make a 0. Okay, 1 is leading element, and making other elements in its column to 0, and making other elements to 0 by using operation here. 1 is already given that, so operation here r2 minus 4r1. Okay, and lastly introduce x2 by s1. Okay, introduce x2 in yb and remove s1 in yb. Okay, so these both two cases in one column. So taking therefore simplex table is cb, yb, xb, x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, and a1. Okay, so yb is first is x2 and second is a1 as it is. x2 has coefficient is 2, and my a1 has coefficient is minus m. Okay, minus m, and therefore values of x1, first row is as it is, right? First row is as it is because 1 is already given that leading element, so no taking any operation for this. 2 2 1 1, then 1 0 0. And for second column, take operation taking is r2 minus 4r1. R2 is old R2 and R1 is new R1. Okay, so this is new R1 and this is a old R2. Okay, so taking operation is taking here R2, this is old, minus 4 R1. R1 is new R1. New R1 means this is taking a leading element, converting leading element to unity. This is new R1. So using this 8 minus 4 xb, 8 minus 4 xb. This is 8 minus 4 into 2, 8 minus 8, 0. Then 3 minus 8, their value is minus 5. 3 minus 8, their value is 0, minus 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Then 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Then 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Then minus 1 as it is. Then 1 minus 0, 1 as it is. And therefore now we have to find the again Zj minus Cj. Zj minus Cj by using summation Cb xi minus xi. That is coefficient of xi is coefficient of in objective function. Okay, and this is xi is a coefficient of constraints. So taking coefficient is here minus 5m, minus plus 5m, minus 3, therefore 3 2 3 0 0 minus m, 5m minus 3. Then for second 2 minus 2 is 0. For third column is 2m plus 2 minus 3. 2m means 2m minus 1. Okay, this is minus plus 2m plus 2 minus 3. Therefore 2 minus 3 is remaining minus 1 and this 2m as it is. For this 4m plus 2, for this m, and for this 0. Okay, minus m minus plus m is 0. Okay, so here all Zj minus Cj, condition is all Zj minus Cj are here. Condition is for Zj minus Cj, all Zj minus Cj. Then second condition, there is at least one artificial variable in yb at 0 level. Here a1 coefficient is remaining in artificial variable and their cost is 0 in corresponding xb column. Okay, at 0 level, that is corresponding entry in xb is 0. There a1 has entry in xb column. In xb column is 0, and therefore also the coefficient of m in Zj minus Cj are positive. So all these elements are must be positive. If you taking any value of m, then their value is must be positive. So therefore there all values of Zj minus Cj are positive. Then in such a case, the current basic feasible solution is degenerate solution, and therefore given LPP has degenerate solution. Okay, so here maximum Z means summation of CBXB. Maximum Z of summation CBXB is 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 4 is 4. At what value? At x2 is equal to 2, x1 and x3 is not here, therefore their values must be 0. x1 and x3 has value 0, and a1 has also value is 0. Okay, and here artificial variable is at 0 level. Artificial variable a1 is at 0 level. Okay, and with Zj minus Cj are greater than 0. Okay, that is all are positive, and therefore given LPP has degenerate solution. This is a solution of our given example. Okay.